Welcome to the overview for the 31st. Looking at the SPY 60-minute chart. We were flat all day yesterday, and we're already in two positions. In the money pretty good. Now we just added a third position here. For those of you that are members, you'll see the signal for this one is not on this day, but it's from the day before, the 28th. So here we have another buy. The actual entry is in this bar here on the 31st at in the 1230 bar, and just staying long on this one. That when you're on the 60-minute time frame, your trade time is anywhere from less than a day up to one or two weeks. So we'll see if we get our maximum of 4 trades. This one does have lower risk. We were able to actually yesterday move our stop up a little bit. I'm not going to show exactly where on the free videos here, but we are locked in for profit on the first position, and looking good. So let's go ahead and look at a few other ETFs on the 15-minute chart. Okay, this is the IBB ETF, and I don't like to just show all winning examples. I like to show losing examples. So we had a signal back on the left-hand side here. We actually took a sell here, and price pulled up against us, and right where I drew that line out, that's where we were stopped out as a 1% loss. Not a big deal. That does happen. Also, you'll see it says Big A indicator. I have everything programmed for you, and that way you can read the signals a whole lot easier. But these are with paid charts. These particular ones are TradeStation, and you don't have to have that. You can use the free charts from TD Ameritrade. That's the broker I like and use, because they can do if-then orders late, in the evening time. So that way they automatically do that. Scotchtrade, E-Trade, they can't do that the same. But listen, there's tons of brokers out there. You can use any broker that you want, and you can always manually enter your trades in the morning. I'm talking about the long-term trading on the daily chart. So my point is, there's free charts, which you'll have to just manually look and see everything, or there's the TradeStation ones that I give you the code for free, the Easy Language Programmer code that I've paid a lot of money to have a programmer do, and that way it makes it really simple, easy for you to see the trades and where to do that. So let's go look at another one where we ended up making a lot of money, more than 1%. That wiped out this loss, and we're still in profit. This is the XLE ETF, and that is the Energy Select Selector SPDR, and I like this one. When it moves, it really moves. This is the 15-minute chart. We had our first buy here at 10:45. We had our next buy at 12:30, and then we were out right in the 415 candle, not at the exact top, but in this candle. So this was a great trade. Cleared over 1%. Had a lot of shares in the first position because the stop was pretty tight. Had a decent amount of shares on the second position, and just did real well on it. So that's how it works sometimes. There's only so much information I can give out for free on these videos, but I just wanted to give you kind of an idea of what happens on a daily basis. And there's not a lot of ETFs that you have to look at. My list is actually quite small, and when you track them and watch them over and over again, you get to see how they move, and the whole thing is that risk and reward ratios are in line. So I don't know if you knew this, but if you could have a winning system that loses 80% of its trades, as long as say it lost $10 on each trade, and it loses 80% of them, as long as it makes over $80 on each winner. So we actually have a good win ratio because of my channel targets. I haven't explained this, but this is a channel target, and this is a channel target on the high side and the low side, and they're explained for the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, and 15, 60-minute chart, and the daily chart. And the daily chart, we use them a lot, and that's what keeps us going good in the sideways markets. And there's every component is totally mapped out, and ETFs are just a great vehicle for trading. So if you have any questions, email me. Please do email me. My email's on the www.etftrendtrading.com. This is Big A. That's it for today.